You know you can earn money recommending product you already use without creating product. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how the Amazon influencer program can earn you money without you creating your own product. I'm going to show you how this works, who qualify, how you get approved, and the mistake to avoid before you apply. First, let's dive in. What is the Amazon influencer program? So if you see me looking now, I'm just going through the guideline that is from my phone. So first, it is the extension of the Amazon Associate program. The Amazon Associate program is where you share links to your social media and your follower can buy the product that you recommend through your link. The Amazon influencer program is a more extended. This is designed for like content creation. It gives you your own personal storefront, your own commission when people buy through your recommended, no inventory, no shipping, Amazon, and the customer service. Who can apply? It does not specific to anyone. Anyone can apply once you have an active social media presence. The platform, they recommend 4 platforms they use to approve in the program: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. The most one that I see person get recommended is TikTok. I think it is the most easiest one, and it does not about your following, guys. It's about the quality of your content. Quality of your content, your engagement, and the consistency on your audience. It's not about your following. So is people liking your content? Is people interacting, commenting, sharing, saving? Those are what they are looking for. So when you recommend their product, this is what the engagement would be like. So that's what they look for. I see person get accepted, guys, with like 27, 20, 30, up to 100 followers, because I get approved with my second influencer storefront, and it was 100 and something followers. So let's see, 100 and something followers was on that page. So,
and if you're still cooking your steak the same way every time, you're missing out.
So this is it, guys. This was the page. As you can see, it's 122 followers on the page, and this is the page I get approved in my second influencer storefront with. So I'm going to show you that storefront also. So I'm just showing you it doesn't require a lot of followers. So this is my second storefront, my second influencer storefront on Amazon. So at the moment I just create like idea list and photos. So as you can see in those photos, I tag all the product, so when persons come to my storefront, they can just purchase from there. So this is to show you guys that alright, the difference between the Amazon influencer program and the Amazon associate. The Amazon associate is regular affiliate link. You have no storefront. Anyone with website can apply, like a blogger or stuff. For the Amazon influencer program, you own your own storefront. You have a created product list. You have idea list. You can create product video, may qualify for on-site commission. Ways you can make money from the Amazon influencer program. People shop through your storefront. If you approve for on-site commission, this is where you would upload 3 videos of 3 different products, and once you get approved, once person watch your video on the product page, then whatever they purchase at the end of the sale, you make a commission from it. Idealist. This is example of idealist like kitchen essential, back to school must have, dorm essential, beauty favorite, home organization, etc. You will put the product of these underneath that. Ideally, you also have live shopping. This is where, just like how you have persons who go live on TikTok, Instagram, and any one of the social media platform, you also can go live. What is on-site commission? Many beginners do not understand. So instead of just earning from just follower, it's an on-site Amazon placement of your video on the product page. When shopper buy after they watch your video, you can earn commission. This is one of the biggest advantage in the Amazon influencer program. What kind of video work best? I'll give you some example. Product review, unboxing, before and after, how-to video, problem solution, honest pros and cons, comparison, and daily favorite. Alright, I'll tell you the best product, the best 8 product in 8 category for beginner. Example, home. This is like storage bin, shower caddy, and kitchen. Beauty, ear tool, makeup organizer. For tech, phone stand, charger. For lifestyle, like water bottle, desk accessories. For dorm, bedding, mini fan, and organization product. These are the product that you can use for your 3 approved video for the on-site commission. Common mistake beginner make. Example, only posting once, poor lighting, no clear audio, reading the product description, not showing the product in use, giving fake review, or quitting too soon. Tips to increase your earning. Upload your video consistently. Review product you already use. Build idea list. Use Pinterest, is a free platform, guys, to drive traffic. Share these product video that you review on your TikTok account. Also create YouTube file, and you can use YouTube short. Add product. If you have a blog is also free. You have Google have a blogger platform that is free. You can also use this. Optimize your video title and thumbnail. I'm going to give you tools that can help you. This is for beginners. You can use a smartphone. You don't have to use a computer if you don't have to. You can use a smartphone, or whether you have a tablet. You only need probably like a tripod, because sometimes you want the tripod to hold the phone while you demonstrate the product. Ring light. Great lighting is clean, or the natural lighting. Just go where the lighting is clear and bright. Good microphone. Canva and CapCut are 2 free tools also. So all of these guys is what you can get started with. Question: is the Amazon influencer program worth it? I'm going to discuss the pros and the cons. The pros are, it's low startup cost. You don't have to have any money to start. Flexible schedule. You can do this within your own leisure time. It can become passive income if you stay consistently. No inventory and huge product selection. So you have thousands of products on Amazon that you can choose from to start with. The cons: it takes a lot of time, and you gotta stay consistent. Earning is fair, depends on the persons and the time and the effort that you put in. Approval isn't guaranteed. Commission rate differ by the category that you select. Realistic expectation. Avoid over-hyping. I will explain. Many creators earn little at first while learning what works for them. Building a library to help content over time can increase the chance of earning more, but results depend on factors like the product selection, the content quality, the audience, and consistency. Action plan for beginner. Choose one social media platform. Post consistently. Apply to the Amazon Influencer Program. Build your storefront. Create product review video and keep improving based on your performance. Guys, if this video helped you understand more about the Amazon Influencer Program, I would like you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorial on affiliate marketing, Amazon storefront strategy, Pinterest marketing, and ways to build online income. Also love to hear your biggest question on the program in the comments section, and see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love, peace out.